to cancel NordVPN subscription online. So very first thing that you need to do is simply get into your nordvpn.com, or you can get in the application version. It's up to you. Just make sure that you are logged into your account, right? So what you're going to do is simply tap on login right here and just make sure to add in all of the credentials of your NordVPN and make sure you're logged into account. So after successfully logging into your account, now what you can actually do is simply get to their dashboard. Then from there you can tap on the menu bar on the top right corner. Here, if you are logged into your account, you'll actually be able to see the option of billing. Tap on billing, then you'll be able to see subscription. Tap on subscription. Then from there you'll be able to see the manage option next to auto renewal. Simply scroll down, find that option, tap on it, and then you will be able to see cancel auto renewal. Tap on it, and then from there you can simply follow all of the on-screen prompt, and just like that you'll successfully be able to cancel your NordVPN subscription online. And that is it. If you guys do have any further queries, then please let me know in the comment section down below.